Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I know that I've not been posting from a very long time, but I promise to be active again. So if you're new to the channel, do remember to subscribe to, that motivates me. Yeah, so today's video is on the supplements I use and why. So first of all, before I start this video, supplements are not any steroid, okay? Basically you get them from your food too, but you need an additional amount of it when you're working out or stuff, then you take supplements. Otherwise you don't usually need supplements, okay? So that's how I'm gonna start. So now I'm gonna tell you about the supplements I take. So the first and the most common supplement that everyone takes is whey protein. So whey protein is really common in the bodybuilding industry. I almost every athlete takes it, like it's the first supplement I guess everybody uses. So whey protein is made from cow's milk, so it's totally natural. In case you all have any doubt, because I met really people that think that this is a steroid and stuff like that. It's nothing like that. It's totally natural. So whey protein is like additional amount of protein in your diet, especially for like vegetarians. You can add whey protein in your diet, because getting for vegetarians the main source of protein is gonna be like paneer and milk and stuff, dairy products, because they are kind of first class protein. Second class protein like soya bean and all, they don't have all the essential amino acids, but they are definitely good, but they don't have all the essential amino acids. That's why for vegetarians it is really recommended that they take whey protein. And it's a good way to like complete your daily protein requirements. Suppose I have a protein requirement of say 120 grams of protein, and I'm getting only how much eggs can I eat, like 30, 40, 50. You can't eat so much, right? To some extent you need like easy, just drink it and then you're done. You get 24 grams of protein like that in just 300 ml of water. So that is good. Okay, so the next supplement that I use, and it's the most researched and the most you know supplement that everybody feels scared to use or something, it is creatine. Now creatine is completely natural. You get it from chicken and various type of food like fish and stuff. So creatine basically helps the production of ATP in our muscles, and it helps in intracellular means inside your cells, your muscle cells. It helps the absorption of water. So basically people have this doubt that it's gonna make you bloated. That is not gonna happen, because it's gonna make you look bigger from inside. So that is not gonna make you bloated. And I take creatine every day, and this is my this is my bulking stage, okay? So that's how ripped I am right now. But so this is a really recommended product, and you notice whenever you start taking creatine, soon you'll start like gaining strength in your lifts and all, because it increases the production of energy over there. So it's a very recommended supplement. It's this creatine monohydrate, okay, that I use. You get it in other forms also, micronized and stuff like that, but I use creatine monohydrate. Is the most common one, and it's comparatively cheaper too. So I recommend this. So whenever you're having this product, remember to consume a lot of water, like 3 to 5 liters of water minimum, because like it helps in, it absorbs water in your muscles, so you need that water, right? So, and staying hydrated is really important too for your body. You'll notice that whenever you urinate, if your urine is like more transparent, that means you're well hydrated. So that is a way you can realize if you're hydrated or not. Yeah, so that's with creatine. Now the next supplement is glutamine. So this is not really that essential for muscle building, but it does help. It does help, yeah. So glutamine, the thing about glutamine is that it helps in muscle recovery. So like usually if you get too sore when you're working out, then glutamine is a good option. You can have it with your protein shake only. So it's a good option to like mix and have, and it will definitely help with muscle recovery. And remember that our muscles grow when they recover, right? It's when we are resting that our muscles grow. We damage our muscle cells in the muscle tissues in the gym, and then when we are like resting, that's when our muscles repair and then they grow. So yeah, glutamine is a good supplement. It's not that necessary, but it's definitely a good one. Okay, so I even used to use pre-workout, but currently I haven't purchased it, so I'm not using it. And pre-workout is really essential for those people like who feel very lazy when they go to the gym. It like gives you a nice kick, like kickstart, like a hit. So that is a good way, like to get you in the mood, especially like when you're planning to break PRs and stuff. So pre-workout is definitely good, but it's not really essential. Even if you want a natural source of pre-workout, a good option will be bananas. They're really cheap and a good source of energy. Have to like maybe 30 minutes before your workout and all. You're not gonna vomit with that. Don't worry. Yeah. So then the next supplement that I use is I'll put them both together. Multivitamins and immunity booster. Okay, so these two supplements, they really like people, they try to tend to ignore like the micronutrients, because micronutrients are really important for the functioning of the body, proper hormonal balance. So therefore it is really important, and especially during this period of pandemic that we are having, these micronutrients will like really help you to boost your immunity and become stronger. And usually protein diets, they, most of them, some of them, they lack a lot of like micronutrients. So a good supplement to add in your diet would be these micronutrients. So all these supplements that I use, they're all from Bodypower. I'm a athlete of Bodypower, but I am not like saying just because I'm an athlete of Bodypower to use their products, but their products are really top quality. You use them once, you'll realize it. Okay, so I'm if you want to order these products, I'm gonna leave a link to the Bodypower website in the description, and you can go to that link, and there'll be a code. I'll put it up on the screen over here. You put that code, you will get a 8% discount on your orders. I I'm not telling you to try these products, but once you order them, try it for me, and you will notice that their quality is really good. I trust them and I use them myself, so you can try it out for yourself, and I assure you that you won't be disappointed. So guys, I hope you found this video really informative, and if you did like it, you got some knowledge, you decided on something, you have any doubts, let me know in the comment box below. So I hope you enjoyed it. Do give it a like, it makes me feel happy, and subscribe, share this video with your friends so that they can also gain this knowledge, and I hope you have a wonderful day.